Speaking with 13 First Alert Chief Meteorologist Brian Schofield, you are on the lookout for storms this afternoon.
We're also looking for mountains. Take a look behind me. You can't
I don't see them.
You're right? What happened? They got kidnapped. Look at that. You can barely see them. So obscured by not only the smoke, but obviously the moisture clinging to that smoke that's in the atmosphere. So we've got some troublesome weather. But here's some more troublesome weather right here. I want to start off with this. 13 First Alert Desert Doppler now in the local mountain range. How about Mary Jane Falls? How about some other Rainbow Canyon areas getting hit with some very heavy rain? So we're really looking at some very heavy rain and flash flooding going on in the Mount Charleston area. So we knew that would happen if this storm stayed very slow moving, that would be the big issue. And likely if we get storms across the valley, flooding will be a big concern. But we haven't seen anything here. It's been in the upper elevations, but upwards of an inch is already falling. So those areas, once again, certainly are getting quite a bit of heavy rain. This would not be a good day to hike. And I know Mary Jane Falls, certainly a wonderful area to go hiking on, but not today, certainly. Let all of this pass before that ends. And of course, Rainbow Canyon, no stranger from getting some very heavy rain and flooding. But look at the east of this storm, nothing going on. Pahrump, you're watching that storm off in the distance. What we've got coming in is really a very active pattern that's continuing to develop. We have all the moisture in place. We just need something to spark it off. And the mountains usually are the first place we see that. So through the weekend, we get some better chances. I think even better for Saturday, and I'll show you that in just a moment. It's just starting to develop across Arizona and certainly across Southern California, which could actually use a little more rainfall, that's for sure. And even through early next week as well. But once again, I want to focus on it closer in on Saturday, not even through early next week, because I think things will start to calm down then. But you get into Friday, and we know storms are ever present. So closer up, you know that we're going to be on storm watch again for tomorrow. But watch Saturday. Watch as that just pushes in. What comes through by Saturday evening? Once again, a nice little band of showers and even some thunderstorms, some heavier rain at times. So could be a wet end to Saturday evening, calming down a little bit better for Sunday. So we'll be watching it and tracking it for you and giving you the 13 First Alert if anything changes. Temperatures have really been very warm no matter what we've had as far as humidity levels are concerned. You get 107 with the humidity we've had, and the humidity looks a lot like this. Look at that. So a lot of double digits there, and those are sticking around. We're not going to dry things out too soon. So we know we will keep the chances for thunderstorms in, and that'll last through early next week as well. Temperatures do lower, but with all the humidity, you may not notice that. But they do actually lower significantly by the middle to the end of next week with fewer storms, so there will be a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel, if you will. All right, back to you, Carla.
All right, thank you.